So this morning and in the early afternoon, I have seen different sessions around product updates, especially in the area of collaboration and social networking and messaging. And there are some pretty interesting things coming up, especially in the area of notes and domino, where most people thought that it was actually dead. And it's not. It's alive and kicking because we have seen some amazing announcements earlier on in terms of the development of apps and using all sorts of various different integrations, and it's been fantastic, and I'm really looking forward to it. I have seen also another session, or having another session to talk about what's on Workspace and the new partnership and integration with Zoom for real-time meetings, which is just superb. I mean, everyone who may have known Zoom or who may have known Workspace, combine them together with a single click to go and do those video meetings. And then finally, I have seen a number of various different sessions from customers, IBM customers, who have been using or who have been telling their stories about how they are using IBM products to transform their organization. Not necessarily just to go and solve problems that they may have at the moment, but also how they want to transform the way they work. Lots of interesting developments. The thing that I'm most excited about is that there's this notion that all of this technology has got a purpose. And the purpose is to make us more effective and more productive, augmenting our capabilities versus replacing our capabilities. If you look into everything that is going on around AI and machine learning and the machines taking over, IBM has got a very strong position that this is not about replacing jobs, this is not about killing jobs, this is not about replacing people, this is eventually about how can we augment the human capability. So that's really interesting. The other really interesting point that not many people have talked about, but I think it is critical, is around data. And IBM is a strong position about who owns our data. And in this case, the premise is that IBM has made it very clear during the keynote sessions in the morning that the actual consumers, the actual customers, the actual users of the applications own their data, which if you compare to all the different vendors, they own your data. They basically own you and whatever they have to sell and offer. With IBM it's different. With IBM it's about how can I help customers achieve better, more effective results where they retain their data because it's there. We are the providers of the platforms, we are providers of the learning opportunities, we are providers of the transformation process, right? That's really, really exciting. The interest there for Pan-Agenda Solutions is that there's a focus on making the most of data analytics in terms of turning into business insights, and in a way enabling customers to make better decisions but without owning that data itself, right? That's very interesting for us, especially as we operate in Europe with the upcoming GDPR laws kicking in on May 25th, where people are starting to question, where's my data, who has my data, and where has it been? I'm having a blast because you get exposed to multiple ideas from multiple people, different backgrounds, different stories. Everyone has got a story that you may or may not relate in terms of what you have done over the course of the years. So I have spent more time talking to all the different people who work no longer just within the collaboration space, but they're also exploring data analytics, they're also exploring opportunities for cloud, opportunities for artificial intelligence, and that has given me an opportunity to open up the scope of what the conference will be. Still is overwhelming to a certain point, so you need to let yourself go a little bit with the flow in terms of what's going on with the sessions and networking and everything else, but it certainly is a huge learning opportunity to see what's out there. And depending on your interest, to tap into what people may be doing and eventually give you the perfect opportunity for my favorite activity at conferences, which is networking.